That's why PG&E is saying right now they want to raise your rates to prevent wildfires, proposing a pretty big hike for customers. And Crown 4's Camila Barco is following that live at a PG&E substation with the details. Good morning.
Good morning. So yeah, PG&E's proposal focuses on infrastructure improvement and other fire safety measures. Now, to do all of that, they say that they have to increase their rates. The rates, if this does get approved, would go up by 18% in 2023. And that's about that's an extra $31 a month for the average customer. The rates would also increase by $58 more a month in 2026. Now, the executive director of TURN, which advocates for energy reform, says customers have seen almost a 20% increase in their monthly bill this year alone. Many customers attended a public hearing meeting Tuesday night, and they were vocal about the rate increase. Here's what some of them had to say.
It is unconscionable that PG&E is asking for a rate increase.
It's too much to pay an additional $200, $300 a year or more for basic electricity and gas.
Now, PG&E has responded to the concerns about the higher pricing. They say they know this is hard on people, but they're doing what they can to limit the prices on its customers. But Daria James, the Public Utilities Commission, has the last word on this proposal. They will decide whether it goes into effect or not. So we'll have to see what their decision is. For now, back to you.
All right. Thanks a lot, Camila. Happening right now.